The people will say there's no flooding. Take a look at this. By the way, the lake's over there where the fire truck. That's what the lake should be. Lake Como.